Hey guys, welcome to another video. This one isn't a tutorial, but rather something similar to an essay. I'm just gonna be answering a question for this one, and that is, can you run Valorant on Linux? And the simple, short answer is no. You cannot run Valorant on Linux. And you might be thinking, but there are ways such as Proton, which is a translation layer that allows you to run Windows applications on Linux. And that is one possibility that a lot of people are thinking of. But the thing is, it's no longer a possibility, but rather an impossibility, because it has been concretely stated by Valorant or by Riot Games themselves that they won't be supporting anything regarding Linux soon. And just to add to the matter, Vanguard does not support Linux or virtual machines. And according to Valorant or like Riot Games themselves, they have mentioned that they um they have mentioned, it's not really mentioned, but rather a lot of people have noticed that upon trying to do it, Vanguard itself, like the anti-cheat software that Valorant uses, has something that prevents it from being run, that prevents the game Valorant from being run on anything related to Linux or any other virtual software or environments. So that's the long answer, but simply, you really can't play Valorant on Linux. So I'm sorry, but I hope you learned something in this video. I hope you. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.